Hey digital dynamos! If you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, or content creator aiming to win online in 2025, this video is for you. Today, I'm revealing the 4 top freelance social media marketing managers you need to know this year. These pros are transforming brands and boosting engagement. I've scoured hundreds of profiles to find the best. We're talking about the elite, growth hackers, creative geniuses, and strategic masterminds. I'll break down what makes each one special and why hiring them could be your smartest move this year. Let's dive in and meet your secret weapons for dominating social media in 2025. First up is Elif, the growth guru. With 7 years of experience, Elif specializes in explosive organic growth, turning small accounts into thriving communities. She's a data-driven expert, using analytics to craft custom strategies that double or triple engagement fast. Elif masters Instagram and TikTok trends, perfects hashtag research, and knows exactly when and what to post. Her clients rave about her professionalism and the real results she delivers, with detailed monthly reports to prove ROI. If you're stuck online and want real traction, Elif is your cheat code. She'll build your content pillars, design a stunning feed, and attract an authentic audience that cares. Forget empty numbers. Elif delivers loyal followers, more leads, and real sales. Ready to scale your presence? Elif is the expert to call. She's not just managing your page, she's building your empire. Next is Fiore, the creative visionary. Fiore is a graphic designer and content strategist who crafts unforgettable brand aesthetics across all platforms. She turns your social media into a cohesive, visually stunning experience that grabs attention instantly. Fiore's storytelling approach translates your brand's mission into custom graphics, videos, and engaging reels. She plans your content calendar, balancing promotional, educational, and entertaining posts for maximum engagement. Her captions spark conversation and her designs make your brand look premium. For businesses wanting to stand out and build a high-quality brand, Fiore is the answer. She doesn't just post content, she crafts experiences that resonate. Third is Gis Moyeja, the engagement architect. In 2025, engagement is everything, and Gis is a master at building active, loyal communities. She specializes in community management and interactive content, turning followers into passionate fans. Gis is hands-on, replying to comments, starting conversations, and running interactive campaigns like contests and quandas. Her human approach injects personality into your brand, making you relatable and trustworthy. She crafts behind-the-scenes content and polls that invite real interaction. The result? Fierce brand loyalty and a tribe of advocates. If your social media feels empty, Gis will transform it into a lively two-way conversation, perfect for creators and community-based businesses. Want a real tribe, not just followers? Gis is your go-to. Last is Dimitri K, the strategy mastermind. Dimitri is a high-level strategist who turns social media into a tool for real business growth. He starts with a deep audit of your online presence, then builds a long-term data-driven marketing plan. Dimitri excels at paid ads and funnel creation, driving targeted traffic and conversions. He tracks every KPI, ensuring your investment delivers results. Perfect for established businesses or ambitious startups ready to scale. Dimitri provides clarity, direction, and a roadmap for success. He doesn't guess, he calculates. There you have it. 4 powerhouse freelancers to help you conquer social media in 2025. Whether you need growth, creativity, engagement, or strategy, these experts deliver real results. Check out their profiles in the description and find your perfect fit. Investing in the right expert is investing in your future success. Ready to level up? Click the links below. If you found this helpful, subscribe, and hit the bell for more business growth tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.